Trying to decide between Kajabi and GoHighLevel, both are powerful all-in-one platforms, but they are built for very different users. In this next 3 minutes, I will break down the key differences so you can choose the right one. Intro. Kajabi and GoHighLevel both let you build websites, funnels, email campaigns, and automate your business, but Kajabi focuses on creators selling digital products, while GoHighLevel is designed for agencies and businesses managing clients. Let's compare them. Main purpose. Kajabi is best known as an online course platform. You can create courses, memberships, coaching programs, podcasts, and digital downloads, all from one dashboard. GoHighLevel is primarily a CRM and marketing automation platform. It's built to help businesses generate leads, manage customers, automate follow ups, and even serve multiple clients under one account. If you are selling knowledge, Kajabi has the advantage. If you are managing leads and clients, Google High Level is the better fit. Funnels and marketing. Both platforms include funnel builders, landing pages, email marketing, and automation. Kajabi keeps things simple with ready-made templates and easy setup for creators. GoHighLevel offers much deeper automation. You can build advanced workflows using SMS, email, phone calls, appointment booking, pipelines, and CRM triggers. For basic marketing, Kajabi is easier. For advanced sales automation, GoHighLevel clearly wins. CRM and client management. This is where the biggest difference appears. Kajabi includes basic customer management for students and buyers. GoHighLevel provides a full CRM with sales pipelines, contact tracking, opportunity management, repetition management, and white label options for agencies. If your business relies on customer relationships and sales teams, GoHighLevel is much more powerful. Pricing. Kajabi starts at a higher price but includes everything needed for course creators without many extra tools. GoHighLevel offers a strong value if you are running an agency or managing multiple businesses, especially with its unlimited sub accounts on higher plans. The better value depends on how you use it. Final verdict. Choose Kajabi if your main goal is creating and selling online courses, memberships, or digital products with minimal setup. Choose GoHighLevel if you need a powerful CRM, advanced marketing automation, lead generation, and client management, especially if you are an agency or service-based business. Neither platform is universally better. They simply serve different audiences. If this comparison helped, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more software comparisons and honest reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.